So I can't see anything. Sammy's broken out before. I'll come over here. It's been no big deal. I mean, just for a second. I should be better about having them be on the beds. What we're going to do here is not the best way to do things. But here, you can stay over there. Here, you can stay right there. Okay. Good girl. You did real good. And the little ones have busted into Sammy's room before. Him and Banks. Hey. One at a time. Hey! Settle down. Settle down. That's why I don't like doing this inside, because I can't let them play. You're a good boy. Hey, get off. Off. Hey. Raider, knock it off. Here, off. Dude, settle down. Hold on. I don't like having these out either, like a dummy. So I feel like it's kind of unfair if they can't play. Hey, that's his special toy. Good girl, thank you. But I could be wrong about it, because that's what I did with Ginger. Was all she got was walks and calm time, and I've just gotten this girl calm. So that's what I was worried about, him coming out flying all over the place. Crap. Bones everywhere. Here, give me that. It's opportunity for conflicts, right? Oh. You're a good girl. You're doing real good. Because you really want to fly around and play, don't you? Good boy, Sammy. So Willie just yelled at Sammy because he stuck his head in Willie's butt while he was laying there. Yeah. Hey, settle down. Get off. Hey, dude. See, that's why I can't have you run around. And you need to settle down with that bullshit. She don't need to mama everything. You don't need to be in control of everything. Just go in your bed. Good boy, Sammy. Now while she's chewing. You're good. No food. Opportunity for conflict. Right, so see, he wants to run around. She thinks she has to tell him to settle down, and she doesn't. That's a good girl. That's very nice. Good. We did that with her and Raider too. When she first met Raider, she felt like she had to do that. And she was doing it with Tank too, which I let go a little bit. But then she felt like she had to do it all the time, so I stopped it. Sammy and Raider have met a bunch of times in there. All right. Good boy, Sam. Nova? Nova? One at a time. Sammy? Just to make sure she's not trying to be protective of him. Get off. Hey, settle down. Too many dogs, one spot. Good girl. What's up with the red rocket, dude? You want your shirt off? You're good girl. You just don't always have to be in charge of stuff. You don't either, young man. Little turd. Sammy, get off. Hey. Get off. This way you got the leash. You need to settle down. Settle down. There you go. Oops. That noise is going to make her come every time. The noise of my hands in my pocket. Hey, well, he's it cornered. Hey, settle down. There you go. Good job. Settle down. Hey, back up. Settle down. Sorry, dude. I didn't mean to do that. You back up. You gotta settle down, big fella. Ain't no running around like a bull in a china shop. Psst. Good job. Hey. Dude. Hey, back up. You settle down. What's that crap? So it felt like he was about to want to take off again. Do the running, flying around shite. He wants to play. That's why I need more hands. He's happy boy. Hey, off his back. Dude, get off his back while he's laying down. Back up. That's a good girl. It's like, what, dude? I'm just trying to play. There's something about that. Hey! Hey, get off. Boy. Hey! Settle down. Dude, you're not helping. Hey. He wants to fly around and play. That's why I don't like doing this if I can't get them out in group. So they can play, get it out, come in and chill out. Good job. You're a good girl. You're trying so hard, ain't you, buddy? I'll wait till he settles down. Till he settles down and split them up. It's too much, right? Too much dogs, huh? What are you all grumbly for, girl? It's because it's my first day. You ready, cute guy? Right, maybe too much, probably should have let him play. I don't know, you let him play once. And it's been so hard to get her to calm down inside. It's bubbled out everywhere else. What do you think? Sammy, you want to start being free over here in the nighttime? When everybody's done, so she can be free over here. What's up, fool? Hey, Sammy. Sammy, come on. Come on. Come on. Watch out. Come on. Let's go to the crate. You're such a good boy. Give me this. There's that. You get cookies. You get cookies. Uh-oh. You can have some cookies for being good. She's like, I don't want that crap. It's hot dogs, dude. You like it. You can have some cookies for being good. Lights can go out. You can have some cookies for being good. All right. Well, it's hard to tell, like, because they just want to play, like, what's going to get in the way. What's going to cause conflict. Wheelie. Here you go, bro. Let's get all this hot crap off. Lights go down. It's night time. Right. Little bull in the china shop. Oh, I should have let that go about 10 more minutes.